Oh, hey there! Are you also sick of extreme vibrations with long tools? If your answer is yes, stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Gianni. I'm Sales and Application Manager here at Urma. And today we're talking about the new VAS system. For what stands VAS? It's Vibration Absorbing System. So if you struggle with machining long bores or you have big projection length, this is the right tool for you. We have a big range of vibration absorbing bars. They are modular, so means you can put whatever taper you want in the back. It could be a CAT, DIN, BT, or even PSC. And in the front, you get the same connection. It's the Urma beta connection. So that means that you can assemble either a fine boring head, for example, like this, or you can swap it with a double cutter to rough your bore out. The bars are available in 3 sizes. It's beta 40, 50, and 63. Regarding the length, we have 4 times D, 6 times D, 8 times D, and 10 times D, which brings you to a huge projection length. The bar comes pre-tuned from us. We test every single bar and tune it to a standard value. Of course, depending on your application, it might be necessary to reach the full performance to retune the bar. Due to the side lock system, the assembly is extremely simple. You just put in your tool, take your Allen key, tighten your screw, and that's it. If you need to change the head due to the beta system, it's done in a second. So you don't need a damper bar for every single operation. You can buy one bar and you can do roughing, finishing, milling, and a lot more things. Another unique feature is that you can use the same bar that you use for roughing or boring to put a shell mill holder on it. And it's extremely simple. You just put your shell mill adapter in, tighten your screw, you're ready to go. If you're not satisfied with the performance, you can tune it until it's perfect. And additionally to the shell mill holder, we offer as well end mill holders with Weldon. And the change is extremely easy. And you can get pretty long projections with that. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, let us know. I'm Gianni. Stay tuned.